Improved functionality. Minimalism isn't just about what you take away, it's about what you keep and how each item serves a purpose. When you embrace a minimalist interior, every piece of furniture, every object has a function, a reason for being there. This focus on functionality doesn't just improve the design of your space, it transforms how you experience your home. You no longer waste time searching through cluttered drawers or navigating around unnecessary furniture. Instead, your home becomes a streamlined, efficient environment where everything has a place and a function. For example, multifunctional furniture like a sofa that doubles as a bed or a dining table that also serves as a workspace becomes a cornerstone of minimalist design. Every square inch is utilized to its fullest potential. With fewer things crowding the room, the few items you choose to include are carefully selected for their practicality and usefulness. This approach not only maximizes space, but also enhances the flow of the room, making it easier to move around and interact with the space. You'll find that tasks like cooking, cleaning, and even relaxing become more enjoyable because there's less to manage and less to distract you. A minimalist home is designed to function flawlessly with you, not against you, helping you live smarter, not harder.